planetary neighbors. An asteroid roughly the height of a skyscraper. A remnant from the dawn of the solar system made of carbon-rich rocks and boulders. And since late 2018, the place that NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission has called home. When OSIRIS-REx arrived, it began wrapping Bennu in a complex web of observations, starting with a preliminary survey of its size, shape, mass, and spin. On New Year's Eve, OSIRIS-REx was captured into orbit by Bennu's minuscule gravity, making it the smallest world ever to be orbited by a spacecraft. In early 2019, it broke orbit to conduct a detailed survey. A series of sweeping passes allowed OSIRIS-REx to study geological features at different latitudes and times of day, enabling stereo imaging and landmark-based navigation. During the detailed survey, OSIRIS-REx globally mapped Bennu at only 5 centimeters per pixel, the highest resolution of any planetary body, including Earth. On June 12th, the spacecraft entered a new orbit at an altitude of just 680 meters, setting another record and establishing a home orbit for the remainder of the mission. In September, it began reconnaissance on 4 candidate sample collection sites, potential locations on Bennu to touch down and collect a sample later in the mission. OSIRIS-REx concluded its first year at Bennu back in orbit, circling the asteroid's terminator, or boundary between day and night. Here, outside forces acting on the spacecraft are balanced, allowing it to orbit within the same plane over time. Reconnaissance resumed in early 2020 with close flyovers of the primary sample collection site Nightingale and the backup site Osprey.